In this segment, we will shine a spotlight on remarkable Indian origin women making waves in global politics. Today, we will delve into their impactful journey and contribution that are reshaping the political landscape. First, let's talk about Usha Cherinkuri Vance, whose recent prominence stems not only from her husband, Ohio Senator J.D. Vance's vice presidential candidacy alongside Donald J. Trump, but also from her own impressive credential. Usha, the daughter of Indian Telugu-speaking immigrant, holds a degree in history from Yale University and a Master of Philosophy from the University of Cambridge. Her background as a litigator and clerk for Supreme Court Justice underscores her pivotal role in her husband's political career. Next, we pivot to Kamala Harris, a trailblazer who broke barriers as the first woman, first Black American, and first South Asian Vice President of the United States. Raised by Jamaican father and Indian-born mother, Harris' journey from District Attorney General of California culminated into her historic inauguration in January 2021. Turning our attention to the United Kingdom, Shivani Raja made history as the first Tory MP elected for Leicester East in 37 years. Born to Indian parents from Gujarat and Rajkot, Shivani's victory marked a significant political shift in a constituency long dominated by another party. Her elegance to the UK Parliament on the Bhagavad Gita symbolizes her commitment to the heritage and constituents alike. In the realm of diplomacy, Nikki Haley's tenure as the first woman and ethnic minority governor of the South Carolina paved the way for her role as the United States ambassador to the United Nations under Donald J. Trump. Although her recent presidential bid concluded, Haley's impact continues to resonate in American politics. Across the Pacific, Priyanka Radhakrishnan made history in New Zealand as the country's first ever Indian origin minister. Her journey from India to Singapore and finally New Zealand exemplifies her dedication to public services, currently serving as Minister for the Community and Voluntary Sector. In Canada, Anita Indira Anand's ascent to the role of President of the Canadian Treasury Board highlighted her distinguished career as a lawyer and academics. With a strong foundation in law and commitment to public services, Anand has made significant strides in Canadian governance. These women exemplifies resilience, leadership, and commitment to public services that transcends border. Their stories not only inspire but also underscore the importance of diversity and representation in shaping a more inclusive political landscape worldwide. As we reflect on their journey, it's clear that the contribution of Indian origin women like Usha Cherinkuri Vance, Kamala Harris, Shivani Raja, Nikki Haley, Priyanka Radhakrishnan, and Anita Indira Anand are instrumental in paving the way for future generations. Their impact continues to redefine what's possible in global politics. Stay tuned for more insightful stories and updates. I'm Nazneen, and this has been a special edition focusing on Indian origin women in global politics.